Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. It's quarantine, I know, but we can make use of our quarantine a lot by doing tie and dye, by doing DIYs. We all have white t-shirt at our home. Why not? So let's see how we can make our white plain dull t-shirt into something. So I am going to show you guys how you can do this tie and dye technique into a plain white t-shirt. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make your plain white t-shirt into something interesting. So let's see how we can do it. So to do a tie and dye, you need some materials also. You need a plain white t-shirt. So I'll be using this plain white t-shirt of mine. It's a very old t-shirt. You need some rubber bands. If you have seen my previous video of tie and dye, I have used threads. But then this time I'll be using rubber bands. You need dye colors. Dye powder colors. You can get these powder colors in any stationery shops you want. It's just 10 rupees one packet. It's very cheap. You need scissors, and let's see how we can do the tie and dye. So take the t-shirt and in the middle just tie one rubber band. Make sure that you tie the rubber band very tight. I'm repeating the pattern. If you don't have rubber bands, then you can use thread to tie it. I am going to leave this side plain. If you want, you can repeat the same pattern. This is how it looks like once the tying is done. Let's begin into the tie and dye video. We are taking a steel bowl, filling the steel bowl with water. Turn on the gas. Let the water boil for a few minutes. We are going to add color. First color I am using is purple. Let the color and water boil for a few minutes. We are adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well so that the salt get dissolved properly. Now take the t-shirt and dip the knots we have tied. It depends upon you on which side you want the color to be. I am going to dip it in all sides. If you want the color to be dark, you can dip it for a longer period of time. I am done using the purple dye. For the second color, you need to change the water. Now adding my second color, I am using dark blue. We need to repeat the same process by adding salt, mixing it well so that it gets dissolved properly. Now we need to dye the t-shirt, which is white in color. I am repeating the same pattern, but the portion I have not tied, I am not dipping that part. I am done with the second color dyeing. Now I am going to use the same water and adding red color to it. Mix it well so that the red color get dissolved into the previous dark blue. Now we are going to dip the portion we have not tied any knots for the red color. Once you are done with the dyeing, You need to wash the t-shirt with the cold water. Wash it properly so that the extra color gets removed. I'm done with the washing of the t-shirt. Now we need to cut out the rubber bands we have tied. Be careful while cutting so that you don't cut your t-shirt. I'm done with my cutting of rubber bands. This is what my t-shirt looks like once it is dried up. If you like my video, don't forget to try the technique out, and please do mention me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle will be mentioned below. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, please do mention a comment in the comment section below.